Hello everyone and welcome back. In our last episode, we explored the basic mechanics of the V sound. As I mentioned at the very end, pronouncing the V sound at the beginning of a word isn't too bad. But making it in the middle or at the very end is a completely different story. It's much harder, don't you think? And here's the catch. If your mid position in the final position V is weak, your linking will completely fall apart. Actually, it's happening to me. So today, let's tackle this challenge head on. We will look at the exact mechanics of a word middle and the word final V's to give your English that sticky, deep, native-like quality. Today, we will look at 3 key points. Number 1. A quick review of the basic V rules. Number 2. Why mid and final V's are so difficult. And number 3. Strategies in practice sentences, including vowel plus V and consonant plus V. First, let's recap the basic V sound. Remember, V is a labiodental fricative, a lip and teeth sound. You place your top front teeth on the inside of your lower lip, right at the wet and dry boundary. Then, you let the air leak out continuously while turning on your voice. And what about your tongue? It does absolutely nothing. Just keep it neutral and relaxed at the bottom of your mouth. If you want to strengthen your mouth memory, use the 3-second sticky buzz exercise that I shared in our last episode. Hold the sound of V until your lower lip tickles like a smartphone vibrating on silent mode, like V, V. Now, why do we struggle when V moves to the middle or the end of a word? When V is at the beginning, your mouth has plenty of time to prepare. But in the middle or at the end, V is squeezed between other sounds. Your mouth gets lazy, skips the position, and the sound becomes muffled or completely disappears, which frequently happens to me. Before we move on to the next part, here's my favorite training method that Gemini shared for me, and now I share it to you because it's quite effective. That is the slow motion chain. Let's take the word leave, which has the V sound at the end. First, say the vowel part and hold it. Lee. While keeping your voice going, slowly move your lip up to your teeth to catch the air. So the sound is like leave. This exercise helps you feel that transition in slow motion and memorize that exact vibration on your lower lip. Now, let's divide our strategies into 2 categories: vowel plus V and consonant plus V. Our first category is when V comes right after a vowel, as in level, give, or believe. When V is in the middle, like in level, your goal is to build a vibrating bridge, As you are saying the first vowel, your lower lip should already be moving toward your teeth. Never stop your voice or the air. Instead, connect the two vowels before and after the V sound with a smooth, continuous buzz. When V is at the end, like in give or believe, we face a unique English rule. In English, final voiced consonants naturally become a little softer. If you try too hard to push the V sound, you might accidentally add an extra vowel at the end, making it sound like give. That sounds unnatural. Instead, try these two professional techniques. The first technique is to stretch the vowel. Make the vowel before the V slightly longer. For example, the vowel in leaf is longer than the vowel in a leaf on a tree. I didn't notice this before, but English speakers listen for that vowel length to decide if they heard a V or an F. And the other technique is the soft release. Let your voice fade out, but keep the physical position of your lips and teeth for an extra millisecond. Let a tiny bit of unvoiced air leak out at the very end. It sounds like believe. Okay, now it's time to practice. Here are 5 sentences for vowel plus V. I will read each sentence twice. For the first time, I'm going to exaggerate the V sounds because I might skip them if I don't concentrate. Number 1. Please provide an overview of the achievement. Please provide an overview of the achievement. Number 2. I believe the executive will arrive at 5. I believe the executive will arrive at 5. Number 3. The evidence was given in the evening. The evidence was given in the evening. Number 4. We have a lovely river view from here. We have a lovely river view from here. Number 5. The innovative device is everywhere. The innovative device is everywhere. Our second category is a real high-level challenge. Consonant plus V, as in solve or carve. Here, your tongue and your lower lip need to multitask. It sounds impossible for non-native speakers, but they must do 2 completely different things at the exact same time. For solve, your tongue tip must stay glued to the roof of your mouth for the L sound, while your lower lip simultaneously moves up to touch your teeth for the V. For curve, your tongue must stay pulled back in the R position, while your lower lip independently snaps up to hit the V. If you focus too much on your tongue, your lip will get lazy and the V sound will die. It sounds so challenging, but let's move on to the exercises. Here are 5 sentences for consonant plus V. I will read each sentence twice. Number 1. Let's invoice the Canvas service. Let's invoice the Canvas service. Number 2. We need to involve the survey results. We need to involve the survey results. Number 3. Can you solve the 12 inventory issues? Can you solve the 12 inventory issues? Number 4. Please observe the convention rules. Please observe the convention rules. And number 5. The curve represents a derivative value. The curve represents a derivative value. Today's exercises were a true workout for our mouth muscles. Let's quick recap. Mid-position V. Build a vibrating bridge. Final position V. Stretch the vowel and use a soft release. Consonant plus V. Make your tongue and lips multitask. Mastering these will make your English sound incredibly smooth. It's easier said than done, and I'm still struggling with it too. So let's keep practicing together. Thank you for listening or watching, and see you next time.